Are you tired of only seeing your own leads in Pipedrive while the rest of your team might be working on something totally different? It can feel like you are flying blind, right? Well, learn how to view every lead across your entire team in seconds. Seriously, it is that quick. So here is what we are going to do. I will show you exactly where to click to switch from that individual view to the full team view. Just follow these simple steps and you will have complete visibility. All right, let us start with the app already open in front of you. This works the same whether you are on the web version or the desktop app. So wherever you are good to go. Now, the first thing you want to do is look at the left sidebar. You will see a menu of options, and you are going to click on the one that says Leads. Just click that once. This is going to take you to your main Leads view, which is probably where you usually hang out. Let the page fully load. Give it just a moment. You will know it is ready when you can see your own leads populating the list in the main area. Do not rush this part. All right, now here is the key. Look over at the top right corner of the screen. You are looking for a button that says Filter. It might just look like a little funnel icon, but it should have the word Filter right next to it. Click that button. Now, wait for the filter menu to appear. It will slide out from the right side of the screen. This menu can take just a second to pop up, so be patient. Once that menu is open, you will see a few different tabs or sections. You want to click on the tab that says Owners. This is the area that controls who the lead is assigned to. And here is the really important part. Right now, it probably says me, or your name is selected there. What you need to do is click on the option that says Everyone. That is it. Just click Everyone. Now, confirm the view. Look back at your main leads list. You should now see leads from every single person on your team. You will see different names in the owner column. You will see deals that have been sitting there that you never even knew existed. It is a total game changer for team collaboration. And that is really all there is to it. From now on, whenever you need that big picture view, just jump into your filters, switch that owner field to Everyone, and you have got full visibility. I have used this feature dozens of times myself, and it is one of those simple things that makes a huge difference in how your team works together. So go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching.